Después de la playa, el sol se va. El agua guarda lo que nadie verá. Las olas cantan un himno al azar. Susurran secretos que no llegarán. Después de la playa, ¿dónde voy yo? Donde el cielo se mezcla con el corazón. Después de la playa, dejo el dolor. Solo quedan las risas del agua y su voz. feels the winds I bring, but on the storm she'll never sing. No me conoce, no me ve. She can't hear the words I say. No me conoce, no me ve.
sun spills gold on the ocean wide. A rhythm whispers where my soul can hide. Each wave a prayer rolling deep inside. I hear the wind hum soft and kind. It sings of peace I long to find. Heaven on my mind, every step, every sigh. Heaven on my mind, a love so divine. The trees sway slow like they've got no care. Roots hold the earth, a strength they share. I feel it all in the morning air. The sky's a canvas, colors combine. It paints the hope I've left behind. Heaven on my mind, every step, every sign. Heaven on my mind, a love so divine. sweats in the warm night air. Lime slice glowing like it don't care. Copper mule kicking sweet ginger flair. Oh, the rhythm flows through my veins, it grows. Moscow mule, take me higher. Spicy soul, set the fire. Moscow mule, spin the wheel. Tell me, love, how you feel. Whispers right on the cool night breeze. Cinnamon skies and dancing trees. Sip slow, let the world find its ease. Oh, the rhythm flows through my veins, it grows. Moscow mule, take me higher. Spicy soul, set the fire. Moscow mule, spin the wheel. Tell me, love, how you feel. Every time I cry, the sky turns gray. A storm in my heart won't fade away. Raindrops whisper secrets the wind can't say. But in the tears I find the light, a healing flame burning bright. Every time I cry, I feel the earth sigh. Every time I cry, I see the clouds fly. Oh, every time I cry, my soul reaches high. A river flows where my sorrow grows, washing pain down where the wild grass shows. And still the sun waits for the bloom to know. Through the shadows comes the day. strong in the clay. Every time I cry, I feel the earth sigh. Every time I cry, I see the clouds fly. Oh, every time I cry, my soul reaches high. The night hums low like a whispered prayer. Moonlight spills in the heavy air. The stars blink slow like they just don't care. I sit and wait, my soul laid bare. Come over, come over. Let your love take cover. Come over, come over. Under the sky, we'll discover. The wind sings songs through the old palm trees, a melody sweet that rides the breeze. The earth feels warm, it speaks to me. Come over now, set your spirit free. I see you coming through the shadowed light. I feel your footsteps in the quiet night. Come over, come over. Let your love take cover. Come over, come over. Under the sky, we will discover. Every heart needs a place to rest. Every soul craves the sweetest taste. The echo of you fills my chest. Come over now, it's for the best. Come over, come over. Come over. the last time I'll roam. This is the last time, the last time I'll roam. The earth is calling, it's calling me home. so heavy and wide, and the shadows stretch where the sun should hide. I'll be your light, I'll be your guide. Through the thunder, through the rain, through the joy and through the pain, I'll be there for you. one step forward through the grind, chasing payments where I find a piece of heaven in my mind. grace. Soft echoes dance in this sacred space. The earth hums low, a song we all know. Dreams take flight on the wings of time. Lighted steps to a beat so prime. The afterglow light begins